So in this video, I'm going to be making a silver spear pendant. So to start, we're going to be doing some sand casting to make the handle and head. We pack out the mould with delft clay and level the top. So I'll be using both the handle of a file and the shaft of a bull burr to cast the two parts. They are both pressed into the sand and removed, leaving a void in which we'll pour the silver. So I'll be using some scrap sterling silver from a previous cast. So what I'm adding here is a little bit of borax to help the flow of the metal and remove any impurities. So both the casts came out well. The third was a spare in case one of them failed. So we start by prepping the thinner cast that will form the handle. Once filed, I remove any excess. For the thicker cast, I'm going to start hammering it flat. What you're seeing is a small hammer and anvil. I end up using a larger hammer and a block off camera to speed up the process. To make it easier to form the metal, you heat and anneal it in order to make it softer. Once I have roughly 2 centimeters of a flat surface, I saw it off. I file and then solder the two parts together. Notice this is a pendant, so we're not looking to make this super sharp. With the use of some spring calipers, I measure the length of the blade and mark an equal length against the handle and cut off the excess. With the handle at the correct length, I then make a mark every couple of millimeters with the calipers, in which I'll file some grooves with a triangle file. After the grooves are filed, I take a jump ring and solder it to the top of the handle. I now go about filing and tidying up any rough areas before giving it a polish with Tripoli and then rouge. And there you have it, the making of a silver spear pendant. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.